exclusive wedding pictures of television star Nadia Khan. A few days back, Nadia Khan's engagement rumors took the social media by storm. Initially, there was no confirmation from her side, but now the talent powerhouse has made it official on social media platforms. Recently, the 35-year-old TV actress and the host took to her Instagram announcing that she had tied the knot. She captioned the post, promising to share her wedding picture in a few hours with her fans. "Sharing my wedding pictures with my fans and followers in a few hours," she wrote. In August 2011, she ceased her anchoring career with a transmission on Gambit News. After 2 years of leaving the Nadia Khan show, on the 31st of March 2012, the show was re-telecast by GeoTV as a nighttime talk show. She has also hosted a game show Karan Michael on Bowl Entertainment. After many years, Khan performed as a lead role in the drama serial Kazi Aur Yarat Main alongside Faisal Bihan on Hum TV. This drama focused on the struggles of women in our society. Recently, Nadia was appeared in a famous drama serial Kanzaf as a lead role of Aima, who is the eldest sister of her siblings, and she looks after them since their mother's death. The drama was televised on Ari Digital in 2019, starring with Junaid Khan and Rawat Hashim. The multi-talented media personality, Nadia Khan, was dubbed the Oprah Winfrey of Pakistan by Jamproof of newspapers in 2007. Besides this, Khan won the Masala Lifestyle Awards for Best TV Presenter 2008 and Masala Lifestyle Awards for Best TV Presenter 2009, out of 5 candidates, from Sony TV, Zee TV, Star Plus and Ari Digital in 2011. She won PTV Best Actress Award for her Lollywood in film role. She has become the first YouTube influencer on her official YouTube channel, Outstyle, to reach 100,000 subscribers for Pakistani beauty, fashion and lifestyle, on the 19th of January 2018.
Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.